Eto na. Eto na. What is this?
Tinola?
No, it's not. It's nilagang
Nilaga.
baboy. We can say nilagang baboy. Good. Looks good. Oh, okay. Put it there. Garlic.
Good na.
Good smell. Yeah. Where's the Starbucks? Come in. I have a sister when I'm cooking. So ito, lagay natin. Ah!
The only kiss you.
No, baboy. Come here. Come here, baby love. No, ito lang stone. Don't worry. We are near to the hospital.
Thanks. You kind.
Okay ba ito? Kasi ito, pagpakuloy ang dito. Pagpakuloy ang dito. Pagpakuloy ang dito. Tumalin. No problem. But, come here. It should be, there would be, Parker! Come on!
Ora! Vicina.
Parker ha?
Göra det. Gör det. Jo. Oj.
Continue our What's up? Si Patrick? Parker.
Like. Vicina.
So, come here. It should be there's with there. Is it play?
Yeah, it's like.
There should be patis on that. But the problem on Gang Tisay is allergic of patis. He's allergic of seafood. So because I already cooked before tinola and I put a lot of patis. He go to the bathroom many times. She feels dizzy. And she's even if like that she still go to work. So I will not put patis anymore. So that's it. Then you will put this one. And I'm happy that my fiancé buy this because I need this one. Put a little salt. So, munggang, butin lang nakita ko. Yung sinigang na nabili ko. Shrimp. Flavor. Bawal sitisay ng seafood. So yung plano kong lutuan ko siya ng sinigang, gagawin ko na lang nilaga. Munggang. Ano. Finally! We didn't cook sinigang because what's the reason? Because
I have seafood allergy.
seafood allergy. So this one, we cook nilaga. Ang dami nito. Tapos ilalagay ko mamaya yan sa baonan para baon na yan. Yun yung ginagawa ko sa kanya yung airport. Eto na! Eto na! What is this?
Tinola?
No, it's not. It's nilagang
Nilaga.
baboy. We can say nilagang baboy. Good. Looks good. Oh, okay. Put it there. Please look. I cook that for you because you're always eating noodles. Oh my goodness. Yung Hungarian try ng nilaga. Then, it's hot. Careful, it's hot. She already tried lumpiang Shanghai, tinola, chicken adobo, pork adobo. Galing kay try the soup. Good?
Yeah.
Delicious? Pasado. Apir. Wow. This I will like this nilaga because the meat is so soft. I boiled it for 40 minutes. Ano sarap? Tisay, na-try na ni Tisay kumain ng tortang talong. Have you remember tortang talong? The eggplant. Pero sa kanya yung rate niya mga 7 at mga 50-50. You don't like to eat the meat? It's good? You like the meat? We don't have corn because my plan is to cook her sinigang. So in sinigang, there's no corn. But the problem, so everything is okay, something like that. When I look to the sinigang mix, the flavor is hipon, shrimp. So he's allergic to shrimp. So I instead of sinigang, I cook nilaga for her.